How can I identify air leaks around vents? You can find them by feeling for moving air, using smoke, checking for gaps, and inspecting the vent seal where it meets the wall, ceiling, or duct. Start by turning off fans and closing windows so normal air movement does not confuse you. On a cool day, hold your hand near the vent cover and its edges to feel for unwanted drafts when the heating or cooling system is running. A thin strip of tissue paper works well too, because it will flutter when air slips through a crack. For a more visible test, hold a smoking incense stick near the vent frame, but keep it away from curtains, dust, and anything that can catch fire. If the smoke bends or gets pulled sideways, air is moving through a leak. Look for loose screws, cracked caulk, missing foam, or a grill that does not sit flat against the surface. A commonly missed leak is behind the vent cover, where the metal boot connects to the drywall or ceiling. Air can escape there even when the grill looks perfect. Remove the cover only if you can do so safely. Then inspect the joint and seal small gaps with paintable caulk or approved foil tape. Never ordinary cloth duct tape. Afterward, repeat the tissue test and check that the vent still opens and closes properly. One mistake is testing while a ceiling fan or open window is moving air, so shut them off first and test when the system is operating normally. Another mistake is sealing the grill itself, which can block airflow. Seal the outer frame or duct connection instead. Also, do not use your hand alone to inspect a hot supply vent, because the metal may burn you. Use tissue or a temperature-safe smoke test, and call a qualified contractor if you find damaged ducts, mold, or a leak inside an inaccessible wall. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.